Among Amerikanong bata nagkinamot musngit na di ay siya kay di na siya pangit ni Yaya kay butan na daw siya. How old are you, baby? 8. So you're not gonna kuan, baby. You eat your own. You're not let Yaya feeding you anymore. Oh, wow. Look at that baby, oh. Look at that. Very good boy. He eat with his hand, no spoon, huh? You don't want to use your spoon? No use spoon while eating? Wow. Unsay sudan sa among bata? Gravy. You like gravy? And then you have KFC. What is that? KFC? Coke float. Okay, you're gonna finish your rice and gravy. Yeah, with hand. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, good boy. Yun na mong baby. Oh.
More animal. Order more animal.
Okay, order more. Gamay na lamang na yan. Okay. I give you break time. Just take your time. Oh, 3 more. 3 more spoon. Then okay na. 3 more spoon. Now, sige, oh. Yan. Dako na, be. Dako. Put in your mouth. Naala, good boy. Lagi ng among bata. Kabalo na dahil kamuungit lang. Among Amerikanong bata, oh. Bisayang Amerikano. Are you Bisaya Amerikano, love? Love, are you Bisaya? Oh. Your mama is Bisaya? How about your daddy? English, okay. You must be English too. Baby, your daddy is English? Where is your dad now? In the heaven? Huh? In the heaven?
Yes.
Yeah, that is in the heaven na, ha? Upstairs ka na, ang daddy yung picture nito, ha? Siya upstairs.